Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I am from Isaac. So today in this class, we will discuss about different types of insurance policies or insurance plans in medical billing. So we are having four types of plans. So all the four plans we will discuss in this class. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So the first one is health maintenance organization. The first one is health maintenance organization. So what is an HMO? So HMO is health maintenance organization. So an HMO is a health insurance plan that requires you to use a network of doctors, hospitals, and other healthcare providers. So when you take HMO plan, so when a person or when a patient takes the health maintenance organization plan, that plan will require you to use a network of doctors. Like when you take this plan, the insurance members will give you the network of doctors that you can go and get treated by them, and they will provide you the list of hospitals and other healthcare providers. So you can go to the hospitals and you can use the medical benefits by using HMO plan. You typically need a primary care physician who coordinates your care and gives a referral to you see specialist. So when you take HMO, which means health maintenance organization plan, you need a primary care physician. For example, you consider a RMP doctor. You consider a RMP doctor. So then RMP doctor will have to give the like a referral. You have to go to this hospital and go to meet this specialized doctor. So he or she has to give the referral so that the person can go to the required hospital. So in HMO plan you have to require the primary care physician referral. For example, you got a lung disease, and you gone to the RMP doctor, but he did not know, right, how to cure, like how to give the treatment to the required diseases, like the lung disease. So he's just a RMP doctor. He treats for fever, like small diseases. But if you want to like big diseases like lung cancer or blood cancer, so all these diseases will be cured by the specialized doctors. So then these primary care physicians will refer to the respective specialist physician. Specialist physician nothing but a certified doctor in some organ. For example, a certified doctor in lung, a certified doctor in kidneys. So a specified doctor will do specialization in some organs in the body. So these RMB doctors, these primary care physician will and refer to the patient that he or she has to go to this hospital and get treatment done by them. So I hope you understand what is HMO plan. So there will be advantages. It is cost and effective, generally lower premiums. So when you take HMO plan, you have to pay lower amount of money to the insurance company. Like there will be monthly premiums, the monthly premiums, like you have to pay 5,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees. So there will be monthly premiums. So by taking HMO plan, you will be you have to pay only less amount of money to the insurance company. So that is cost effective. And coordinated care. Your PCP helps manage your oral care and which can be convenient. So you just have to go to the PCP, primary care physician, and he will give the direction. So where to go to the hospital, where like which doctor you have to meet. So all these things will be discussed by the primary care physician. So these are the advantages and disadvantages. Restricted network. You must use in-network providers for your care to be covered. So, which means, for example, you take the HMO plan. So they will give you the list of in-network providers, which means the doctors who made contact to the insurance. the doctors who made contract to the insurance. So those doctors only you can meet. The rest of the doctors you should not meet. You should not there is no there is no need to meet that rest of the doctors. So you have to meet only in-network providers, right? I hope you understand. So the insurance company will provide the list of doctors and hospitals. You have to go to that hospitals only. You do not have any right to go to the rest of the hospitals, which is not there in the list, which insurance companies will provide you. So I hope you understand. So you are a restricted network. You should not go to the out network providers. I hope you understand. And the second one is referrals needed. You need a referral from your PCP to see a specialist. So every time you need a PCP, before going to the specialist physician, you first go to the PCP, primary care physician. Then that person has to give referral to the specialist care physician. Then only can go to the specialist care physician. So I hope you understand. So these are the advantages and the disadvantages of health maintenance organization, HMO plan. And use case, individuals who prefer lower costs are comfortable with a restricted network of doctors and hospitals. So who want to take the insurance plan and who want to pay less amount of money as the monthly premiums. So this HMO plan is better for them, which is good for them, good plan for them. So these are the use case and visuals. Illustrate a patient visiting the PCP and getting a referral for a specialist and show a map with a network of healthcare providers. So I hope you understand. So the patient first go to the PCP, primary care physician, and primary care physician will give the referral to the specialist physician, which is a certified doctor in some organ. So he has the PCP will give you the map of the list of network of healthcare providers, and the patient will go to the required specialist care physician. So this is all about HMO plan. So I hope you understand. And the second one is preferred provider organization plan. So it's a PPO plan. So what is a PPO plan? So a PPO plan offers more flexibility in choosing healthcare providers, right? So for example, when insurance companies give the list of providers, when the patient takes this PPO plan, the patient have the benefit like choosing the healthcare providers. So he can choose, I want this provider, I want this provider, or I want this list of providers. So he can choose. So you can see any doctor or specialist without a referral, both in network and out network, right? But in the HMO, what you can only meet only in network providers. But in PPO plan, you can meet both in network and the out network. So you can see any doctor, a specialist without any referral. In HMO, you want PCP referral to meet the specialist care physician. But in the preferred provider organization, you should not need anything. You can go to, you can see any doctor, a specialist without any referral, both in network and out network. So this is very benefit plan, PPO, preferred provider organization. The side heading is telling it is preferred provider organization. So you can prefer the provider. I hope you understand. And the advantages, flexibility, you can see any provider, including out network without needing any preferred, including out network, which means you can meet both in network and out network, right? I hope you understand. And no PCP required. So by the person who take PCP plan, there is no need to have the primary care physician the referral. He can go directly to he can go to the hospital and directly meet the specialist care physician. So you are not required to choose a primary care physician. So these are the advantages. And the next one is disadvantages. It is higher costs. It is higher cost. You can meet a specialist care physician at any time and both in network and out network, which means it automatically cost higher cost. So it's typically PPO have higher premiums and out-of-pocket costs than HMO. So you have to pay monthly premiums very high in PPO plan and out-of-pocket like rather than the after paying the premiums to the insurance companies, you also have to pay some amount of money while meeting the doctor. I hope you understand. And the second one is complex billing. You may need to handle more paperwork and higher cost if you go out of network. So the insurance companies will provide the list of doctors. So those doctors are network. And if you want to go to the out of network, so you may need to handle more paperwork, so like more paper documents, like your details, your insurance papers, all those things, and it may cost higher cost. And if you go to if you go to out of network, so these are some advantages if you go to by the PPO plan, preferred provider organization. And the use cases, individuals who want the freedom to choose their healthcare providers and don't mind paying more for their flexibility. So who are rich people, they can choose this PPO plan, right? The rich people don't mind paying more money to the insurance companies or healthcare providers. And visuals, compare in network and out network cost on a bar graph and show a patient choosing between multiple doctors without needing a referral. So this is all about PPO plan. So I hope you understand the difference between HMO and PPO plan. And the third one is exclusive provider organization. So what is an EPO? So an EPO combines elements of HMO and PPO. So we saw HMO, health maintenance organization, and the PPO preferred provider organization. So by combining these both, we got exclusive provider organization. By combining HMO and PPO, we got EPO. It offers a network of providers like an HMO, but doesn't require referrals. So it offers a network of providers like HMO, but does not require referrals for specialists. However, it doesn't cover out of network care except in emergencies. So this EPO doesn't require referrals. So these point you can see in PPO, right? PPO, and doesn't cover out of network as except in emergencies. So this point we can see in HMO, right? It doesn't cover the out of network. So by combining HMO and PPO, we got EPO. I hope you understand, right? And I hope you understand. And what the advantages? Cost control, lower premiums, and cost similar to HMO. So you can find lower premiums like HMO, and cost similar to HMO, and no referrals needed. You can see specialist without a PCP referral, right? Right. So these are the some advantages. So the cost is like HMO, and there is no referrals, which is like PPO, right? So the both combining, we got EPO. Simple. And we are having a disadvantages. A restricted network, only in-network providers are covered. Only in-network providers are covered. As I told you, out networks it doesn't cover out network providers, right? So only in-network providers are covered, similar to an HMO. Out of network exclusion, no coverage for out of network care except emergencies. So in case of emergencies only, these out of networks will work, otherwise it will not work. So these are some advantages by buying this plan, EPO, exclusive provider organization. And use case, best for individuals who want a balance between cost control and some flexibility in seeing specialists without referrals, but are okay with the restricted networks, right? So you want both HMO and PPO plan, right? With the proper premiums and proper like you can, but you are okay with the restricted network, right? I hope you understand. So these are some use cases and visuals. We are having visuals. Show a person selecting a specialty directly from a list of in-network providers. Highlight the difference between in-network and out-network with a simple animation. So these are some visuals. So the next one is point of service. What is point of service? What is point of service? So a point of service plan combines features of both HMO and PPO plan. HMO and PPO plan, right? This EPO also both combination of HMO and PPO plan, and this POS also both HMO and PPO plan. You have a primary care physician and need referrals to see specialist. So in POS, you want referral. In POS, you want referral. However, you can choose out of network providers at a higher cost. So see here, you want primary care physician referral, which is HMO, right? You want primary care physician referral, so which is HMO. And however, you can choose out of network providers at a higher cost, which is PPO, right? So both we are having HMO and PPO. The combination of HMO and PPO, we got the point of service. That's it. Advantages: versatility. You can see out of network providers, but it will cost more. So in PPO also we can meet the out of network providers, but it will cost more, right? So in POS also it will cost more. And coordinated care. Similar to an HMO, your PCP manages your care. Similar to your HMO, your PCP manages your care. In point of service, you need referral from the primary care physician. I hope you understand. In POS, you want the referral for the like a referral from the primary care physician. And disadvantages: higher cost for flexibility, higher cost for out of network care, and referral required. You need referral from your PCP for specialist, right? And use case. So individuals who want a mix of manager care and the option to see out of network providers occasionally. So you don't want to go to out of network frequently, but occasionally. So those people can choose this point of service plan. So visuals. So a patient receiving a referral for a specialist deciding between in-network or out-of-network specialist. So visuals are nothing but you have to show some pictures. But I did not show any pictures in this class. So I'm just reading the content. That's it. So visuals are nothing but you have to show some animation. So neglect this visuals point. Just I have written I read these points. That's it. So the rest of the things I hope you understand. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.